Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cover somebody's face with either pixelating it or covering it up with a sticker. So the first one I'm going to show you is with stickers. So select the sticker you want. There is one that's like a cover up one, but I can't find where it is. I'm just going to try to like scroll down and like find stuff. Guess we can use that cat one. Just going to try to find more. Okay, since I don't know where it is, I'm just going to use this as the cover up. So we're just going to place it on the person's face. And you know how it moves around? You're going to add a keyframe here. And whenever the face or the person kind of like moves out of the way of the sticker, you're just going to move the stickers once you press the keyframe button here. And that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. This is the first one, covering it with sticker. And to do the second one, I'm just going to copy and paste the video. Go to Effects and add in the mosaic effect, and I'm just going to add it in the video and make the blur kind of like small. Select the video, go to mask, select circle, and just place it kind of on their face and feather it out a little bit. And again, add in a keyframe for when the person like moves, I guess. Like here, I'm going to move the circle on her face, and again here, and again there. It is kind of like a tedious process, to be honest with you guys, but that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Well, I guess now they have the face mosaic one, but it's not super accurate, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!